Hi friends, this is your Python partner here, and now we are going to see about dictionaries. So dictionaries are something which allow us to connect the pieces of related information. So it stores an limitless amount of information. For example, you can create the dictionary representing a person and store details regarding him as such as name, age, location, profession or medical details, etc. etc. Or you can store any two kinds of information that can be matched up, like words, their meanings, or sometimes the opposites of it, something like that. So here, for example, I have taken a simple dictionary named person. Inside that, I have given name Krishna and as well as profession doctor. So in this name and profession, it is the key. Okay, and Krishna and doctor is nothing but the value. So here the name key is associated with Krishna, the value, and the key profession is associated with doctor, the value. Okay. So dictionary in Python is a collection of key value pairs. Okay. Each key is associated with a value and we can access that value using the key. So key's value can be a number, string, list, or even another dictionary. So here in Python, the dictionary is wrapped in braces with a series of key value pair. Inside the braces, we can provide the key and as well as the value, and between each key value pair we can separate it using comma. Okay, and see how to access a single value from the dictionary. It is like, see, print of person, inside that square bracket I have given profession. So it is nothing but the person is the name of the dictionary and profession is the key inside the dictionary which I would really like to access the value. Okay, so now if I'm going to print this, what will I get? Yes, profession is doctor. Fine. And next, and we can directly access the values from dictionary and we can use that inside a printf function using f strings. So here you see in f string I have given person of name dot title of is a person of profession. So here person is the name of the dictionary and the name is the key inside the dictionary, as well as the person here is the name of the dictionary and profession inside it is the key. Fine. Okay. So what will be the output is? Yes, Krishna is a doctor. Fine. Yes. So dictionaries are dynamic structure. So we can add more key value pairs to our dictionary. So how to do that? It is very simple. You have to give the name of the dictionary along with the key which you are intended to add into it along with its value. So here you see I have added three key value pairs inside that. So person of age is equal to 40 and person of location is equal to Hyderabad and person of hobby is equal to tennis. Now I'm just printing it. So print of person. Now you can see, yes, of course, this name Krishna, profession doctor, age 40, location Hyderabad, hobby tennis. Fine. Sometimes we may have to work with an empty dictionary and then we have to add key value pairs into it. Okay, so for that I have taken an example empty dictionary as family. Okay, in that family I'm going to add our key value pairs. So as you know, but we have to give the name of the dictionary and the key value. So here at first I have given family. Inside that I'm going to add husband, the key value, and the name of the husband is Shyam. Okay, and inside the family the key value is wife, and inside that I'm going to add Meera. Then family, son is equal to Ram and daughter is equal to Priya. Okay. And now when we print the dictionary, you can see the output. Of course. See, husband Shyam, wife Meera, son Ram and daughter Priya. So we have added some 4 key value pairs into it. So now how to modify the values in the dictionary? So in order to modify the value in the dictionary, you have to give the name of the dictionary along with the name of the key which you intended to modify the value inside that square brackets, and then give the new value that you want to associate with this key. For example, here inside this family, I'm just going to modify the value of a key daughter, right? So here in family, I've taken daughter, that is equal to, here I have given Priya at first, right? Now we are just going to modify it, like her full name is Lakshmi Priya. Okay, so we are just going to update it. Now see, family of daughter is equal to Lakshmi Priya. And now once again when I'm going to print this family, we are getting the output See, family is equal to husband Shyam, wife Meera, son Ram, and daughter, see, Lakshmi Priya. The value of key daughter is changed from Priya to Lakshmi Priya. So this is how we have to modify the information inside the dictionary. Fine. Now we have seen what is the dictionary, how to add an empty dictionary, and how to modify the dictionary. And now we are going to see how to remove the key value pairs. So when you no longer requires the piece of information in the dictionary, you can use del statement to completely remove the key value pair. Okay, so along with del, you need to give the name of the dictionary and the name of key you intended to remove from it. Fine. So here we can take the same example family. Okay, so in family, the daughter has got married to some other person. So now here this family has no value of has no key as daughter, right? So now we have to update it, like we have to remove that key daughter from it. So how to do that? Yes, of course. So del family, what is the key value that you are intended to remove? This daughter. So we have to give it inside. And now once when I'm going to print the family, you can see the output. The key name daughter is removed as well as the value attached to it. Now inside a dictionary named family, we have only husband, wife and son. Only 3 key value pairs. Okay. And another point to remember here is that the deleted key value pair is removed permanently. Fine. Okay. See. When you're going to store the information in dictionary, if it is of many key value pair, then after opening the braces, press enter, then indent the next line. Then add key value and then it is followed by comma. From here on, when you press enter, the text editor indents the next line properly. So some of the text editors won't do that, so you do it. In case if you are using such type of text editor, then you have to manually do it. So you can keep on adding new key value pairs like that, and while ending after the last key value pair, it is always good to add a comma. So you are ready to add new key value pair, then you can close that. So now in order to use the value from the dictionary, you can do it like this. Like a print in the F string, Diya's favorite color is, of course I have given it in an F string. So the dictionary's name is favorite color and the key is Diya. Of course, now we can see the output. Diya's favorite color is peach. Or else if you feel the print of call is a bit more not clean, then you can pull the value from the dictionary and associate it with a variable and then can print the result using F string. Like example here, see, I've taken color as a variable and I'm just associating it with a value that is pulled from the dictionary. See here, favorite color of Riya. So here I have used Riya's color, right? So in the print string, in the F string, I have used print of Riya's favorite color is this color. So what it is? Output is Riya's favorite color is orange. So now we have seen that we can retrieve the value from the dictionary by giving the key value. So now I'm gonna ask Shankar's favorite color. So for that, of course, I have used the same variable color is equal to favorite color of inside that I have given Shankar as the key. Fine. And now you see the output. It's an error. Why? Because Shankar is not inside that favorite color. Okay. It is not an key value inside it. So thing is, if there is a situation where we try to retrieve the value of the key that doesn't exist there, we get error. So in particular, to deal with this error in dictionary, we can use getOff method. So getOff method requires key as a first argument and the second argument you can pass that need to be written when the key doesn't exist there. For example, see, I have taken the same variable color is equal to favorite color. That is the name of dictionary dot getOff. Inside that I have given Shankar. Shankar is the key that I intended to access from the dictionary favorite color. Okay. And the second argument I have given like information needs to be updated. And now I'm just going to print color. So now when I print this, as the key Shankar doesn't exist, the output we receive is not the key error, but the message that we have given as a second argument. It is information needs to be updated. Here, the second argument in getOff method is optional argument. In sense, even if you did not pass this argument, the program won't get an error. Instead, Python will return the value none. The special value none means no value exists. So it is not an error but a special value that meant to indicate the absence of value. Okay, so let's see that with another example like of the same thing. Here I'm just going to use get method without the optional argument. I mean without the second argument. See, color is equal to favorite color dot get of Sonia. Of course, Sonia is also not the key inside that favorite color dictionary. So what we are going to get here as an output when I'm going to print this color, output is none. Why? Because I have not given the optional argument. Okay, so always keep this in mind. If you try to retrieve a key which is not inside the dictionary, you are definitely going to get a key error. So in order to handle that, in dictionary you can particularly go use get of method. In get of method, you always keep in mind there is a two argument you have to give. One is the key that you are going to access from the dictionary, and another is the message. It's an optional argument. You can give that or else you can just leave it. But anyway, your program is not going to give you an error. Instead, it can give you a special value if the key is not present in that particular dictionary. So that's it, friends. I hope you really understand the concepts of dictionary. So friends, join me in this journey of learning. Let's make this journey more interesting. Bye-bye. Take care.